Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. It's Eric from the MMG. Don't forget to join our group here. We have a Discord link in the description below. Speaking of Discord, that's what I'm going to show you today, how to get started and how to join a server. Discord is by far the most popular communication platform right now. I've been through all of them. TeamSpeak, Mumble took over for a while. We've had a little various ones here and there, but Discord I think is going to stick around because they are just doing a fantastic job with it. It's just a great place to help build a community and get together with fellow-minded individuals. So we're going to talk about it today. First thing we need to do is we need to actually download Discord. So I recommend you going to Google or whatever your browser of choice is, and you're just going to type in Discord to get us started here. It's going to take you to their website, which is discord.com. I'll put that in the video description below. And you just want to download for your platform. You can do it all through a browser if you don't want to do it on your computer. We're going to do it for Windows. You're just going to click this download button and it's going to download it for you. You're going to want to run the exe and it's going to install Discord for you. Once you get it installed and you load it up, it's going to look like this. It wants you to create an account or log in. If you don't have an account already, you want to click on register down here. And then you're going to fill out all this info and you're going to progress through the account creation stage. You are going to need to have all this info and have an email address and everything like that. I do highly recommend that you put two-factor on your account, as Discord is unfortunately targeted by a lot of bad individuals trying to hack accounts and break in and stuff. You don't want that to happen. Two-factor is by far the best method for you to secure your account. All right, once you get logged in, you're going to be at a screen. If this is your first time, you're not going to have servers or individuals here like I do. This is like a friends list that has built in. There's all kinds of stuff here, but these are going to be all your servers. Here, you can have a max of 100. If you're a member of their paid service, the Hype Squad, you can have up to 200 servers, but 100 is going to be more than you can handle, I'll tell you that right now. So first things first, so you're logged in, you're ready to communicate and hang out with your friends. If they already have a server started, then you just need to get invited to that server, and that is fairly simple. If they're already, whoever the owner is or whoever's already on the server, they just need to go to their server here. So we're going to use our mature-minded gamers for instance. And then there's a bunch of ways to actually invite, but the easiest one is to scroll up to the very top of the server, hit down and hit invite people. And then you can see, you can search for your friend name here. You can see what channel you want to bring them into. Here's the copy link. This is probably the easiest way to do it. You just copy your server link right here and then you paste it to them. And then they can just join the server through that link, which is very helpful. That is by far the easiest way to do it. And then you guys can be onto a channel, and now you're going to see, depending on how the server's set up, chat channels, which have the pound symbol right there by them. These are ones you can look at to talk to people with. There's like, here's all the chats, and then the ones with the little microphone on them are going to be the actual voice chat servers. And then there's also all kinds of settings down here you can adjust for your microphone. Under user settings, that's a whole video within itself, and I actually made some videos, so look at my channel if you're having issues with that. So that is how you get on and join a server. I'm going to show you another thing down here. If you scroll down to the very, very bottom, you can add a server. This is how you create a server. And down here is actually the Explore Public servers. So if you click on this, it's going to actually take you to the Discord community server page. You can just see a bunch of servers. Maybe you're going to find you want to join the Minecraft server. You can join the official Minecraft Discord. And there's things for everything out there. So that's an easy way to join some very public servers if you want to be a member of those. You can also search up here for them. Now, as you see, my server didn't show up. There's a reason for that. We aren't big enough. So you have to have certain criterias to be even searchable, and we do not meet that. So if it's a small server of just your friends or just a smaller group, you're not going to be able to find it in the search engine here. You're going to have to get invited like the way I showed you earlier. And also, don't forget, there's also a bunch of tabs here. So here's communities based off gaming, music, education, science and tech, entertainment, and then there's actually student hubs, which looks to be like a new one. So, all right, there you go. That's how you get started with Discord and you find and join a server. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more great content. Have yourself a great day.